Okay, so these first classes are going to explore arpeggios. When I say arpeggio, I mean a repeating series of notes across multiple strings using multiple fingers. Because arpeggios are repeating, they have the potential to be hypnotic or very, very boring. And my goal in these first classes is to take a very simple, common arpeggio and see all of the tools we can use to transform it into something more dynamic and more interesting. So we're going to form only an A minor chord. It sounds like this. But once you've got that chord, we're not going to think about this hand again. Everything we're doing today happens in the right hand. Go ahead and set your metronome for 80 beats per minute. And that will be the only time you're permitted to look at your phone in this class. Okay, so I see that there's really three kinds of arpeggios. We can have linear arpeggios, which follow the fingers in order. For example, thumb, index, middle, ring. We can also have staggered arpeggios, where we skip a finger, go back, skip a finger. Thumb, middle, index, ring. Okay, the third category I would just say is irregular. This is an arpeggio that doesn't really have linear or staggered motion. It's just any combination of notes. Something like that. Today, let's start off taking the simplest possible arpeggio we can. A linear arpeggio played thumb, index, middle, ring. Each finger will be isolated to a single string. Thumb, index, middle. Play this arpeggio until you're comfortable with it. Any exercise you do, you need to approach it as a meditation. Something you're doing just to explore your instrument, explore your brain, explore your feelings. If you approach it as a homework assignment or as a conquest, like you have to get to the top of this mountain, that road only leads to frustration. So everything I show you today, practice it for a couple minutes and just try to relax into it as much as possible.